Let's talk about the Simple Solutions Kit. This is a really nice little starter kit. It is a basic kit, but it does provide some nice essential oils to help you get started on your wellness journey. This is a kit if you just kind of want to dabble a little bit or may have a budget constraint. So let's talk about a few of the oils in this kit. The Simple Solutions Kit is a nice price point at $105 wholesale. All right, so let's first talk about lemon. So lemon is great. It's invigorating. It's a one that is also detoxifying. So putting this in your water every single day to help keep your insides nice and clean. This is a really nice option. It's also very uplifting as well and can be used aromatically, topically, and internally. The next one in the Simple Solutions Kit is Serenity. This is known as the Restful Blend, and this is a blend of essential oils that can be used aromatically and topically. And this is one that's going to help promote restful sleep, promote feelings of calm and relaxation. It's really nice for calming the body and the mind. And then the next one is On Guard. This is known as our protective blend. This can be used aromatically, topically, and internally. And this is a blend of essential oils that's going to basically help be supportive to your immune system. So I love using that when I travel or, when you just want to make sure your immune system is functioning properly. And then the next little goodie in the Simple Solutions Kit is the Deep Blue Rub. This is a lotion, and this is going to be great for any discomfort that you may feel, any head, neck tension, or tension anywhere else in the body. I love this pre and post workout. It's a lotion, so you're going to rub it on, you're going to apply it topically, and it's going to be great for oxygenating those cells and keeping everything moving freely. So this is the Deep Blue Rub. So those are the basics that are in the Simple Solutions Kit. And again, this is $105 wholesale. I do like to do add-ons to this kit because I feel like these last two things give it a really nice, well-rounded kit for someone to start with. It's still a really great price point. So the last oil I would add to that is the Copaiba oil. So Copaiba can be used aromatically, topically, and internally. This is all around an oil that is pretty much good for anything. We use this as a staple in our home in many different ways. So this is going to help provide calm and relaxation. It's going to provide digestive support. It's amazing for your skin. It helps to promote restful sleep and so many other things. Like I said, it is just an all-around amazing oil that can be used pretty much in any scenario. And then the last thing I like to add to this kit is a fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil is basically a coconut oil with the fat molecule removed, so it's in liquid form. And this is really good for new users because when you are applying essential oil, if you just put it right on the skin, half of it's going to evaporate. When you add fractionated coconut oil to that, or carrier oil, it's going to weigh the oil down and allow it to penetrate deeper and allow you the benefits to last longer. The other thing a fractionated coconut oil or a carrier oil can do for you is to help reduce any sensitization that you may have to an essential oil, and it allows it to last a little bit longer. And then lastly, if you are making your own blends, adding fractionated coconut oil to a roller ball or a personal blend is what you need, right? So you can add the oils into a roller ball and then you would top it off with fractionated coconut oil. So the Simple Solutions Kit is a really great option. It's a simple kit, but it's a nice option for those people that want to dip their toe in and get started on their essential oil health journey. Again, it's $105 wholesale.